this is Mikey from DeMarco Twins. Today we are going to be reviewing set 7, 5, 9, 6, 8, number 4 privet drum. It comes with all that you see here. So, as you can see right off the bat, you have the head wig. You've seen this type of head wig in the other latest sets. He, with his wings expanded. Normally, it's just him like the brown owl with their wings tucked away. Alright, so next I'm going to give you the show of the inside. So, as you can see, Harry's on his bed with Dobby and then Petunia walking up the stairs, and then with Dudley eyeing the cake. So on here, they used a see-through Lego piece to give you the illusion that the cake is flying. Sadly, there's not any of the house guests, but I guess they needed to draw the line somewhere. And then there's Vernon, who's sitting right there on the chair. And then you got the couch right there. And then, since there's stairs, there needs to be the cupboard under the stairs. So that just opens like that. Pull on the lantern to open it. And then there's the cupboards under the stairs. That's one of the many cool features. And then on this bed, on his desk, you have a picture of him and his parents. Well, not him and his parents, just his parents. And then I can't snap this piece off, but right there you have the Boy Who Lived poster, which is also in the 2020 sets and the 2019 sets, and I'm pretty sure some of the 2018 sets. But then, right here, on the chimney is a pretty cool spot. This is a mix between year 2 and year 1 because it comes with everything that you normally see for year 2, like the car, and then Dobby, and then the cake. But then you got 3 letters, which makes it part of both. So right here, there's a knob. There's a little knob. But what does the knob do? Well, right here, I take the letter, and there's a slot. Right there. I'm going to put the letter inside the slot. But then you're thinking, hey, but now once you put them all in, you have no letters. Next, you open the thing up, and it comes down to letters. Sometimes the letters get a bit stuck down when it's going down the chimney. So I advise you to keep the little hatch open, because right here inside the chimney, when you pull this, it opens and closes the chimney. So I say always keep it open, and you just put one after another. Right? So then there's a poster right there, and then there's some stickered pieces on the door, one here and then one here. And those were a real pain in the neck. Those were so hard because every time I built it, I was always second guessing. Oh, does this actually go here? Does this actually go here? It was so annoying. Alright, but then there's one more feature. Right here, we got Ron in the car. Sadly, it doesn't come with Fred or George. And then there's the bars. You connect the chain onto the bars. And then go Ron, go. It just pops open the entire window. It's made up of some Lego pieces right there, but then there's this cheese slope. There's these 2x1 cheese slopes that and then there's 2 pegs right there, which make it able to be pulled out easily. Then let's see all the characters. Got the Ford thing, the Ford car, but let's take a look at all the characters and all the things. So this bush falls off a lot. This bush falls off a lot, so just be warned that when this bush falls off, it's made out of a little thing right there, so that's going to be really hard to put back on. But once you do it, it's a lot better. But now let's take a look at all the owls and all the characters. So I'm going to now be taking all the characters from inside the house. One second, there's one character back here that my hands just can't get. There we go. Right there. All right. So it actually comes with 6 minifigures and then 2 owls. Right. Got a you have right here a brown owl, and then got Hedwig with its wings expanded. And then you got all of these characters. I'm going to set them all up. So Dobby, Harry, Dudley, and Ron, they all have the little kitty legs that don't bend. Alright, but this is Petunia's hair, and then her alternate expression. You got some printing on her shirt, and then some printing on her shirt. Her hair, I'm pretty sure Petunia Dursley has never been in any other set. So I'm pretty sure she's exclusive to this set. Next we have Harry. He's got a rather worried face and then rather smiley face. And then you got his normal hair with the little cutout for his scar right there. It's hard to see because the scar is so small. And then you got Ron, who's just smirking. And then his alternate expression is him worried. And then this is his normal hair. And then Petunia, she's like scowling. And then she's like, what? She's like confused but also worried. And then you have Dudley, who has like a evil smile. And then a worried smile. And then with his hair. This hair, I'm pretty sure, has been in a Lego City set. But I'm pretty sure, like Petunia, Dudley is exclusive to this set. Then we have Vernon Dursley, who has his hair, and he's really mad, and then he's just madder. He's just mad. And then they all the characters have printing on their fronts and on their backs. See, he's printing on his front. He's more wearing a sweater, and then he's wearing like a cardigan, I think. He's wearing like a shirt, and then like a sweater or something, and then he's wearing a sweater, and then he has no printing on his back. But then Dobie, he has some printing on his feet for the color of his trash bag or whatever. Got some splotches here, some wrinkles there, splotches, some wrinkles, and green eyes with his long ears. But fun fact, he is the only head who's made out of rubber. The rest are hard plastic, but he's made out of rubber. But like I said with Petunia and Dudley, how they're, I'm pretty sure, exclusive to this set. Not the same can be said for Vernon. He was actually in the other Privet Drive set. And that wraps up the Harry Potter tour of set 75968, number 4, Privet Drive. Come back for another cool video. Bye!